In 1945, a daring group of Soviet saboteurs successfully destroyed a German train carrying the deadly V2 rocket, shocking the German high command. As they fled through the forests, hunted by furious German patrols, they found unexpected help from a German collaborator who offered them shelter. Unbeknownst to them, the hideout was in a camp of German sympathizers. That night, as the saboteurs rested, a small kitten wandered curiously into their hiding place, meowing softly. Its owner, a German collaborator, followed the sound and opened the door, revealing the intruders. The silence shattered instantly as gunfire erupted. What began as a quiet escape turned into a violent firefight, as the Soviets fought for their lives against the very people they had hoped would never find them.